So like many of you, I had been using my OpenClaw agent in Telegram using my Claude subscription, using the OAuth token so I didn't have to pay for an extra API cost beyond the $200 a month that I use for Claude. But obviously last week when they shut that off, I was left with a pretty difficult choice. The best choice obviously is if you can run local models on your machine. That doesn't cost any money, but my main OpenClaw agent, Scampi, had been running on a very old 7-year-old computer that literally can't even run Ollama without crashing. Running a local LM on that machine is just not feasible. I tried using an API through OpenRouter. There are a couple fairly cheap, some even free APIs for AI models. But I was used to using this with Opus or Sonnet 4.6. These models had issues with basic tasks, some tool use issues, and it just wasn't the same. Recently, I basically used my OpenClaw agent to kind of brainstorm ideas, ask random questions at like 1 a.m. So even if the cost isn't that much, even if it's just a couple cents or a couple dollars a day, I found myself asking less questions of my OpenClaw agent when I knew I had to pay extra for it. So I've moved a lot of my agent-based workflows onto my other newer laptop, which I have my Hermes agent running on. But I still want to use this old laptop in some way to have a bot here that I could talk to and brainstorm random ideas. So thankfully I was able to do this using my subscription, not extra API costs, using Claude Channels with Telegram. Anthropic's been adding a lot of OpenClaw-like features to Claude. So I was able to use these features to basically replicate what I was doing with my OpenClaw agent in Telegram in terms of brainstorming, doing research, even having scheduled jobs, writing out spec scripts for me, writing out research reports, and basically doing everything I was doing with that OpenClaw agent, just with my current subscription and being able to use Opus or the newest Sonnet model. So these features have been out for a little while. This isn't revolutionary or any secret hack that I had, but I think a lot of people might not realize what it is or might not know how to set it up. So in this episode, we're going to break down how to set up Telegram channels so you can use your existing Claude subscription in Telegram and ask it whatever questions you want, do whatever research you want, and have most of the functions that you had previously. So this is real quick. I'm going to walk you through it, and we're going to actually do it. So step one, you need to install the Telegram plugin. So I'm in Claude Code here, and to install the plugin, you just want to go to plugin. You're going to need the marketplace for the Claude plugins official. So you're going to want to add that marketplace if you don't have it. And then just go to discover and Telegram. So this is the Telegram plugin. Just install for you. So it installed Telegram. You're going to have to reload this or restart the Claude session to get it working. If you want, you could just do this single line as well. Plugin install Telegram at Claude plugins official. You need that marketplace though still to do this. Step two, you have to create a Telegram bot, and if anyone has done this with Hermes agent or with OpenClaw, you're familiar with this. But basically, you go at BotFather, and you do new bot here. What are we going to call it? Call it Claude 2 bot. There we go. So this bot has been created right now. So you need to use this token to access it. And that's what you're going to keep safely right here. Step three, pretty quick, you just need to configure the bot token in Claude Code itself. So you do Telegram, configure, and then paste the token itself. So you can see I exited here and then restarted it in the same session. So slash plugin slash Telegram, right? Telegram, and then colon configure, and then you put in the token that BotFather gave you. So there you go. The bot token is saved. So in order to pair with the bot, you need to enter the Claude Code session with this flag, Claude Channels plugin Telegram at Claude plugins official. So then it'll come here and you can see listening for channel messages from this one. So now it's actually properly listening, and now you can DM your bot to get a pairing code. And you can see I just said hello to the bot and it had pairing required. And this is the code you need to run in Claude Code. So this only works on the first person DMing it. So we're going to pair it. So this only works for you. No one else is going to be able to pair with your bot. And there you go. We are paired. So say hi to Claude. Hello, Claude. And now you're in Telegram and able to talk to the bot itself. Now, you could see this is just a running session, right? So it's just printing out what's here in the Telegram channel. Now, it's going to ask you for all the permissions and stuff, which obviously gets a little bit annoying. But there's a way to get through this. And that is by enabling auto mode, which is a new mode that doesn't ask for your approval for every single one. So this, when you just enter the session, you just add this enable auto mode at the end. So you don't need to approve everything. You could see there, he just responds without me having to allow this. Let me ask. I'm just going to ask it to do a little research task. Can you tell me the top GitHub repos today? So you can see what it's doing in the actual session. It's doing web searches, and it doesn't have to ask you at each time. So that's why it's useful to do the auto mode. There you go. See, you get the response now in Telegram. Here's some of the top trending GitHub repos right now. And so this works great. In a setup like mine where I have my old laptop, I can just keep this session running. It doesn't really matter. And I can just talk to it anywhere that I have Telegram. So it's basically the same setup that I had with OpenClaw. With OpenClaw, obviously there's a gateway running. Here we just have that OpenClaw session running all the time. So for my task, which is a lot of just like research and brainstorming ideas, random ideas, being able to use this in Telegram anywhere is really nice. There you go. I still need to do allow for this write permission. So it's not every permission, but a lot of them, you're not going to have to approve every tool call. But see, you could have this GitHub here, and this is, they just sent it to me in Telegram. And you can see here, this is the file here. Came up in VS Code, but this is the report it sent me. So I can access this from a different computer. The Claude session is running from my old laptop, and right here I'm on my big PC. So you can access this anywhere like that. If you want to run this as a background operation, you can use tmux for this. I haven't done this, but it's an option if you just want it as a background task. Since I'm just running it on my old laptop, I just keep the session going. It doesn't matter. I've been using it recently like this, and it's worked out pretty good. You can also set up, if you want to do like a mission control, set up the groups like I had showed you before. You can just add this bot to the Telegram group, and you can see here Claude is explaining this to me. But you just need to do Telegram access to add the group like you added your user. And you can set it up with the similar options. Do you want to require mentions or not? Who are you allowing it to talk to? So one of the main other functions I used my OpenClaw agent was for these kind of like daily reports. And you can do this also using Claude Channels. So one of the reports I wanted was for it to check the Hugging Face papers once a day, identify the most interesting papers, and then post summaries. So this is what you're going to use this /loop skill in the session. So as long as the session stays open, it will check based on a loop of however long you want to do it. I just did it daily, so every day it will check at the same time. Check the Hugging Face papers, gives me the report. So one caveat is they do auto expire after 7 days. When it expires, you can set it up again, or you can tell Claude to remind you to re-trigger it. So that's a little bit of a difference, but this is kind of the results you get. And it's a similar, nice report summarizing a couple of the top papers and what they say with links to them. So that's it. It doesn't take too long to set up. And you have an agent in Telegram using Opus 4.6 or Sonnet, using your existing Claude subscription. And you get the research and reasoning function of a frontier model without having to pay for extra API. And you get to ask it random questions anywhere you are, just simply on Telegram. So I know this isn't going to work for everyone who's using OpenClaw, A lot of people have more complicated workflows that they were using their OpenClaw agents for, and I still use my Hermes agent for that kind of stuff. But for this purpose, this Claude Channels works really nicely. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for some. I know this functionality has been out for a little while, but I haven't seen people really talking about it. So I want to do a quick video kind of breaking down how you would set it up. But that's it for this video. If you enjoy, please leave a like, please leave a comment. I know there's a lot of other Claude functionalities that they've released, so please let me know how you're using them. Please subscribe for more videos we're going to have this week, and I will see you in the next one.